Welcome. It's a good day for some gentle, focused movements. Let's begin by just taking a comfortable stance. Connect to your breath. Just notice. Breathe in and out. We want to bring this level of attention and awareness into each and every movement today. Let's begin. Float your hands up. Breathe in, exhale. Let the hands fall to the side. Gentle knee bend. Breathe in, rise up. Exhale, float down. Breathe in and out. Move in a way today that you can feel every single movement. Notice the sounds of the environment. It's a very active woodpecker in one direction, a rooster in the other, planes flying overhead. Let's be grateful for it all. Really breathe deeply in. Stand tall, arms up high. Exhale. Let the body and the arms fall. Breathe in and out. Sink just a little deeper. Rise up a little taller. Now, bring your hands in front. Reach back. Squat down gently. Cross your arms over your body. Rise up. Get as big as possible. Bring the other arm over top. Hug. And just flow whatever way works for you here. And just notice. Breathe deeply in. Exhale, fall. Feel from your fingertips all the way to your toes. Head up high. Move slowly today with real focus. Bring all your concentration into each and every movement. Come on up. Take that nice stance we started with. Bring your hands out in front. Hold the cauldron. Close your eyes and just be for a moment. Maybe you imagine yourself holding on to something you care about. Maybe you're hugging a tree or a loved one. Just be. Just feel that steadiness throughout your entire body. Breathe in and out with intention. Feel that energy flowing through your body. Wow. Widen your stance just a little bit. Shift your weight from side to side. Float your arm across your body. Connect to your breath. You sink a little bit deeper. Maybe you move a little slower. Reach your arm out as far as you can. Really ground your feet. Twist a little deeper. Begin to look behind you. Narrow your stance. Float your hands up and down. Breathe in and out. Get tall and long. Squat down. Breathe deeply in. Look to the sky. Exhale. Oh, let it all out. Squat down. Bring your hands in front. One arm comes up. Other side. Breathe in and out. In and out. Bring your arm back as far as you can. Feel that strength and power in your legs. That mobility, the upper back and spine. Wow. I can pull my arm back. I can squat down with strength. I can breathe with focus. Wow. Rise up, come into prayer, gentle twist, bring your heel up off the ground, sink as deeply into the twist as you can. Breathe in and out. Push the backs of your hands as far as you can. Last one here. Okay. Narrow your stance. Stand tall. Just move your body from side to side and just notice everything we've done. Close your eyes if you like, and just be. Just move back and forth. Well done. Thank you so much for being here with me. I will see you again tomorrow. Have a glorious day.